Hey everyone, it's Claudette. Welcome back to the Greening Farm channel. I know a lot of you guys are really excited for this video. If you haven't seen our Instagram or our Facebook, I posted a reel showcasing some of the stamps in this big kit. You guys know it's a big kit. You guys know what theme it is, but for those of you guys who didn't see it, this is the video for you. All right, let's not waste any time and check out this big kit. It is called Holiday Reboot, and it is a reboot of a lot of our Holiday Anyas. Now, when we do a reboot, it's usually from red rubber to photopolymer and the clear stamps. And so Marie, a lot of you guys have been requesting for the old Holiday Anyas to come out, and they are retired, but she came out with a rebooted version. She included some Ians because I know a lot of you guys need a lot of mail stamps, and so she's incorporated some of the Ians that are very similar to the holiday theme. There was never any Ian holiday Holiday Anya series, so she came out, she dug up some old red rubber Ians that were very similar to the Christmas theme or winter theme, so that's why she has some of those for you on here. All right, so we've got 9 characters, 6 Anyas, 3 Ians, and forgive me, I'm gonna apologize now, I don't remember which Holiday Anya these are. I do kind of know the names of the Ians because they're not Holiday Ians and what number. So if you are curious as to why I know the names of these Ians and not Anya, Holiday, whatever, number what, that is why we have 12 Holiday Anyas, I believe, to this date, 2024. We have 12 of them. And let's go through these really quick. I'm going to give you the information of the pre-order, but for those people who already know the drill with how to pre-order, please stay tuned because there's another announcement I would like to make after that information. So please stay and watch. I will try my best to hurry with this video. All right, we've got the Anya in her little Christmas with the little holly berries, and then we have the Anya with her present, and then we have this one which can be a winter theme, you know, with her little, I'm not sure what this is called, hand warmer, and then we have Anya in her little puffy jacket, and then we've got Anya with her Christmas tree, and then this one with her little party outfit. This is a good one for New Year's. And then we have Ian with his hot cocoa or coffee. I'm assuming it's hot cocoa because there's marshmallow pieces in there. And then we have Ian in his sweater, and then Ian in his little scarf, his hat, and a little flower. Then we have some sentiments that are included. We have winter kisses, joy, jingle all the way, and let it snow, along with a few elements. The stocking, a star, a tree, a present, and this leafy thing. So yeah, that is the big kit. It is called, once again, Holiday Reboot. It does come from our OG Holiday Anyas that were red rubber, along with Ian as red rubber, also now into clear stamp. So I'm really happy for you guys who've been requesting this. I'm actually happy for me too, because I actually love the rebooted one as well. The OG has a very special place in my heart. I'll never get rid of them, and I still do love them and use them. So let's quickly see the comparisons between the OG and the new rebooted one. So on the right side will be the rebooted, and the left side will be the OG one. So this is Holiday Anya with her present. Let me zoom in. Okay, so this Holiday Anya with her present. You could see the present was more pronounced in this one, and then it's smaller in this one, and you could see more of her outfit. Her beanie has a pattern on it. Adorable. They're both adorable. I really love them both. Okay, and then we have this winter one. So a lot of it is very similar. It's just the face and a little bit more updated hairdo. So that's is not much of a big difference. She does have an open smile, but yeah, other than that, it's just the hairstyle is just a little bit different. The outfit seems very similar. So yeah, I really think this is cute, and that's a really good winter card if you want to make it. You know, send hot cocoa or like a sweater to someone. All right, so this next one is the one with the puffy jacket. Original and rebooted. The difference is she has a sweater. Her face is obviously different. She has an open smile. And then other than that, besides the new face, that's the difference. She has a scarf in this one. So this is another great winter card for a winter card. Then we have Anya with her tree. The outfit's just a little bit different. The jacket, I love how cool this jacket looks. And then the tree's slanted. And really, that's really about it. I mean, obviously the face has changed, but I love having them both. I think what I'm going to do is when I give a gift to two sisters, I'm going to use one for each tag, because I don't want one to be like, well, why did she get the one with the tree and not the one with the present? You know how some of that goes with kids. So I like that, you know, one of my nieces does have straighter hair than her sister, so this is perfect. So that's what I'll be using it for a tag for her Christmas gift. Then we have this one. I like to call her the New Year one, because she looks like she's ready to celebrate the New Year's, but it also could be a present, like she's wrapped up in a present with that big bow. So the hair is fuller, the face is obviously different by just a little, and the outfit and everything else is pretty much the same. Adorable. Okay, now we're going into, let's see, did I do this one with the Christmas dress? So this difference is mainly the face, and then the details in her outfit on the newer Anya. So yeah, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, now we're going into Ian. So this one is, I believe it was Beanie Ian. And he's sitting down, and he is not. He doesn't look like he's sitting down. So that's the big difference along with the face, but pretty much other things besides there's more detail in Ian's hat than in this one. But yeah, everything is almost the same. The scarf is, there is now a scarf, I think, or is that a scarf? I don't know how I colored it. But that really is a difference. I just adore both of them. Next one is one of my ultimate favorite Ians. This one, Hello Ian is what he is called. This is the OG, and this means a lot to me because I used this image for one of my dad, his Father's Day card. My dad has passed a few years ago, so this one holds a lot. This one and Chef Ian. My dad's a chef, so I would give him this for Father's Day, and then I would make another card like on his birthday with the chef outfit. And this kind of reminds me of a chef outfit as well, but you know, I made him into holiday colors. It could be a winter Ian as well, but he has a flower, and the hat has more of a detail on this one, or design, and then the scarf, pretty much all the same. One thing I noticed that's different between the OG Ians and the rebooted is the legs are further apart now in the OG ones, and now they're close together. So that's the difference I see all the time with the Ian. So yeah, this one is my favorite because of reminding me of my dad. And this reminds me because it looks like a chef outfit. I mean, they both do, but this, for me, more so. But this obviously is a jacket with some patterned pants. And it has a flower. So this is really cute. I really do like this one as well. This is my favorite Ian. And then last but not least, I didn't have time to stamp Sweater Ian, or it's I Heart Sweater. And it was a set. And this is the OG Ian, Sweater Ian. And again, the face and the hair, feet are the main differences. And then the sweater has more design on this one. So that is the comparisons between the OG and the rebooted stamp set. So now we're going to go back. Oops. Go back, check out this kit. Now let me give you all the pre-order information. I know most of you guys have it, but I have to go through this before I give the other information out. Okay, so pre-order, for all those who are new, pre-order starts today, November 1st through the 5th. I believe it's through the 5th. If it's not, I will leave something on the screen. If there's nothing on the screen, I was correct on those dates. So November 1st to the 5th is the pre-order time. So that's the time you could pre-order this big kit. And then the 5th is the last day. Then the price of a pre-order, the pre-order is $42. Regular price is $50. And so what happens is you pre-order this. If you don't pre-order this, if you forgot, or you're still on the fence thinking that they're going to have some in the store, we may, whatever's left in the pre-order will go into the store. Sometimes we don't have any left. So that's why I encourage you guys to always pre-order. You get your guarantee is set and you get the pre-order price of $42. Now, if you forgot to order, if we have any leftovers, they will be put into the store at the price of $50. So again, pre-order so you could get a good deal and your guarantee is stamp set. Because it's not always guaranteed. Even if we have some leftover, keep in mind it's a first come first serve basis. So whoever sees it, and 5 of you see it and there was only 5, it's gone before you get a chance to see it. So please, please pre-order it. That is my one tip. My number 1 tip is to pre-order it. Alrighty, so the next news I have is we do have a small handful of this kit in the stores today at the price of $50. It's regular price. This is for those who don't want to wait the 3 to 4 weeks that this will come in. One, and if you want to do your Christmas project ASAP, this is the time to get it at $50. So if you want it right away, get it at $50 in the store right away. There's not that much in there, but it's first come first serve. So you got to run you run now if you want it now. Anyways, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you guys pre-order this. Oh, I don't know if I said, if you order it now in the store at $50, you'll get it as soon as Marie can ship it out to you, and you'll get it in time for your holiday projects. Or if you like to start your holiday projects early, this is for you. If not, it's in 3 weeks. So we're in November 1st, so you'd get it around either the week before Halloween, the week before Thanksgiving, maybe sooner, but I can't guarantee you that. So if you want it early, try to get your hands on the new ones now. If not, $42 in 3 or 4 weeks. All right. Thanks everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Actually, this might be my last video for the year, so I want to wish everybody, since it's November, a happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Please be safe out there, and thank you so much for following along with our YouTube channel and the Greeting Farm in general. We really appreciate everybody and the love you guys have for the Greeting Farm. I love them as much as you do, and we are honored that you guys love the stamps and keep coming back for them. So thank you so much, and we hope to see you soon. Well, I hope to see you in the new year. Thanks everyone, and take care. Bye.